All right, so we finished the 6 reasons to find an excuse area. Well, finished. Structurally, yes, it is fairly complete and pretty solid. Everything's accounted for. The next phase would be to just populate the containers here with images and text. Same thing with our projects. Headers looking pretty decent, gotta say. What else we got here? The video section and the footer. I mean, this page structurally is coming along very, very nicely. So if we look at what's left um, here, we have the footer area, and we also have the video area, which is pretty straightforward. Let's tackle the video area and just get it out of the way, and that'll leave us with the footer to contend with and manage it from there. So, in case you haven't noticed the pattern, we are now going to go do some of that copy paste I keep telling you about. So here's some section headings. We're going to copy that, head on down to the video area right here, and we're going to get rid of this placeholder text and replace it with headings. Now, if I look at the preview here, I may have jumped the gun a little bit because this is a non-traditional way of displaying the headings. But I do know I'll need them, so for now I'll just leave them there, and I'll just change the title so that I don't get confused. So watch a video, maybe 2. I mean, what are you busy doing? Right, okay, so we have that for now. We'll just set it aside. Let's look at the structure of the preview over here that we're working on. We have a parent container, and inside we have 2 siblings here. One that just contains an image, and the other contains, well, the headings. This is supposed to be an embedded video and a button to link to something else. So let's tackle that. What I'm going to do is create those 2 sibling containers. So one is going to be div, and let's call this a class of video full size poster. Okay, and we'll put an image placeholder here. And next to it, we would have the little video section, which would involve div class video player section. There you go. Straightforward. And we'll add some place. Oh, actually here what we can do is grab the headings and put them in there, because that's going to be in that container. And what else do we need? We need to embed a YouTube video. So for now, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to create a div, give it a class, a video. Oops, not the button I wanted to click. A video, and we'll call this player. And finally, a button. And you know what? I'm just going to go copy the button tag from up top. Team video area right here. Clean up some of that HTML. There we go. So we have an image placeholder, and this container has the video player stuff, and that button actually belongs in the section, so that did belong there. There you go. So I'm going to go down now to the full-size poster. Now what I'm going to do is put a parent container around these. Remember the grid? So div class video grid, opening tag and closing tag. So what does that look like? It looks like this. There's a parent container now around, no, that's the section. Be careful here. There's the video grid. And that's going to allow me to put these side by side using, you guessed it, Flexbox. So this is going to be video section dot video grid, and this is going to be display flex. Now here's what's happening. As soon as I activated flex in the parent container, which is, let's see if I can select it. Nope. Here, this guy right there. There we go. So this is the video grid. I activated flex, and now the subcontainers, the placeholder image and the video players section are side by side with the Flexbox. Now what I want to do in the video poster thing, video full-size poster on the left, which is going to be that image, I want to say flex grow. No, this. What is it again? Flex grow, yeah. Okay, all right. So flex grow 1 will force this container to stretch out and take up as much space as needed, and it's split it with whatever's happening over here. So if we look at the preview again, we have our full-size poster, our section video here, title, video player, heading, button should all start coming together. And that leaves us pretty much with the footer. So let's see what we can do with the footer before we start cleaning this up and making it look pretty slick.